How to chat on Xbox Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this informative video presentation, I'll address your inquiries regarding communicating on Xbox for the Roblox. I'll explore the feasibility of engaging in chats while immersed in the world of Roblox on Xbox. Upon delving into this matter, it becomes evident that despite attempts to initiate conversations with friends during the gameplay by accessing various menus, the functionality to directly message friends within an activity is conspicuously absent. Even navigating to the main menu on the Xbox and attempting to interact with your friends proves futile as there lacks an option for messaging. The reason behind this limitation is attributed to Microsoft's design choice, which restricts communication with friends while immersed in the Roblox experience on Xbox. The only viable recourse available is to resort to messaging through a web browser on a computer, a notebook, or utilizing a mobile phone as a means to communicate effectively with friends while enjoying the Roblox on Xbox. Regrettably, circumventing this restriction is not possible, thereby precluding the ability to engage in conversations with friends during the Roblox gameplay on Xbox. The primary aim of this video is not to disseminate misinformation, but rather to enlighten viewers about the constraints enforced by the Microsoft. If this video has provided clarity on uncertainties you may have had, I encourage you to show your support by liking and subscribing for additional quick and practical tips. Thank you for your viewership and support.